guys, Josh, Happy Little Landscapes here. Today I'm going to show you how to put on the liquid clear. See, mine's like leaked all over the tub, so I've kind of wrapped it in a paper towel. But it is Bob Ross liquid clear. You can use linseed oil as well. I've seen on the little Facebook groups and stuff. So a lot of people have never put it on. I'm going to show you how to do it, about how much you want to use, and we're going to get started. I've got this 24 by 20 or 20 by 24 inch canvas here, but I'll show you how to put this on real quick. You don't need a lot of liquid clear, and it's got this very distinct smell, the liquid clear, right? So we're just going to put it over the whole canvas, back and forth, up and down, all over the whole smash, right? And again, you don't need a whole lot because the liquid clear is very slippery compared to the liquid white. Right, so you barely need just even the littlest bit for this entire, this bigger size canvas. Depending on the canvas you use, that's about how much you want to put on, right? Always finish the sides, because you guys know me, and we always finish the sides. I'm always saying it. Hopefully you guys say it along with me when I say, what do we do, guys? We finish the sides, right? Because you never know who's, if your painting gets sold, if they're going to frame it, if they're going to just hang it on the wall, if they're going to put it, going down the stairs so they can see the top. You don't want to have these unfinished sides. Okay, did the whole canvas, the liquid clear, and then you want to come in with a paper towel, right, and just scrub most of that off, kind of pushing hard. I'm coming to one side. You can go both ways. My canvas is very textured in this area from the painting before, so I don't want to pull off too many bits of paper towel on there. You want to get the majority of it off, because you don't need a lot. Like I said, it's very slippery in comparison. Okay, it may look like you're wiping it all off, but trust me, it'll still be slick and wet. Be ready to go, right? Get some of these little fluff balls off here. Be much easier on a fresh, brand new canvas, right? So, you can see, you can feel it. Even in the places where it looks dry, it's still real slippery and wet. So we're going to get ready, throw some paint on this sucker, maybe do like maybe a Devil's Tower in space, or some kind of spacey scene. Might throw a UFO in, because you guys know me, I love my UFOs. And hopefully this video was helpful to you. If it was, subscribe to my channel, and we're going to put our apron on and get ready to go. You can always check out my shop, Etsy.com, where are we at? Etsy.com/shop/happylandscapeart, right? The more canvases and products and shirts and hats and pillows and phone cases that you guys buy, the more canvases I can buy, and then we can keep bringing new videos every week, right? 2 a week. Who else is doing 2 a week? Come on, support my store, and we're going to get started. So hopefully you'll be able to check out that video right after you watch this one and paint along with us. So it's been fun. We'll see you guys on the next painting. Bye.